Hello there, a warm welcome to you. Now, welcome to this course. My name is Victor Kelechi. I am the CEO at Holy Empire. We are a web development company. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to build an amazing website with WordPress for free. And during this course, we're going to be looking at how to buy a domain name and also an hosting plan without spending any money. This course is mainly for those that are on tight budget and really want to learn how to do this actually online, because there are actually some other courses that you can take and install it locally on your computer. But during this course, we're going to be installing it online so you can also show it to other people as a sample of your job in case you are looking for a job from a client or are looking for a contract from any company or somebody, or as a freelancer. So what does this course cover? In this course, we're going to be learning how to buy a domain name and hosting plan for free. We're going to be getting a domain name and hosting plan for free. For those of you that don't know what a domain name is is something that refers to your website online. Like it's the name that your website is being called online. Or for instance, now you own a house or you just buy a land and you want to build a house. When you buy the land, the address to that land is the domain name of the house. So anytime someone wants to come and visit your house, the address is given is the direction to your house. So the domain name is like the direction to your website. Then the website host, that's the hosting plan. The host is where your website is being placed. Like your house now that you have purchased, with the land that the house is being placed is the host. So the host is your house, the land is the host is the land and your house is your website. So anybody that wants to come and see your house needs to get to your land. So for you to build a house, you need a land. So for you to host a website, you need a web host. Then also we're looking at how to install WordPress on our hosted. For those of us that haven't done it before during this course, you'll be seeing how we do it without any form of technicality in it, and also looking at how to change the website theme to our desired style. Then also looking at how to install our plugins and create our blog and pages. So please, I urge you to finish doing this course so that we will know it step by step on how to build this website. Because during the course, we're going to be building an amazing website that you'll be proud of yourself that you just did. So please, I urge you to be online, get your links prepared, get your data connection prepared, so that you will follow me step by step on how to do this. And also, please submit your assignments when you are done with the course. Thank you. Then, what will you be able to do after you have taken this course? First of all, you'll be able to design a professional WordPress site for friends and clients. So as a freelancer, after taking this course, you'll be able to design a website for your friends, also design a website for your clients as a freelancer. Then you will be able to get your first job as a professional WordPress developer. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin.